First we do this multiplication. 1 over 8 times 4. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1 and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So we have 8 divided by 1 over 2. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 8 times 2, which equals 16. But this answer is not correct, because according to the rule of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 8 divided by 1 over 8. According to the KCF rule, we can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 4. So 8 times 8 gives us 64. So we have 64 times 4. Okay? 4 times 4 gives us 16. So we write 6 here and carry 1 here. 6 times 4 equals 24. So 24 plus 1 equals 25. So we have 256. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 256.